Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is March the 21st, 2021. This is going to be our updated price prediction in the market for AAVE. Yes, we're going to give you all a price prediction as to where we're expecting price to go so that we can win in the market. That is the leg up that we have over all the other competition that participates in the cryptocurrency space, is that we're able to forecast where prices are going to go. And if you appreciate it, before you head out, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. We're not here to give you any FOMO, any FUD. We simply pay attention to the price because that is the most important indication as to where the market is going to go. Once you see that, you can actually win numerous times in the market while everyone is scratching their heads trying to figure out what happened. All right, so do all of that. Hit the like button, share, subscribe, tap that bell notification as well so you can be notified. All right, so let's break this down real quick. In AAVE, you guys can see we did our last price prediction into the market in AAVE on the 3rd of March. Okay, so it's right here. We already did a price prediction. We expected the market to go higher in price initially. Following that prediction, you guys can tell that the market did drop to the downside, right? We had our support area still in AAVE around $350. How do we know that? Well, because the trap has already established that area previously, right? He already have shown us back here in the ending of February that he wanted to hold that area as support. That's why we was able to predict that is where the market is going to find support at, and it did on March the 5th. And right after that, you guys can see that's where we saw the lift off. That's where the market started increasing in price, and he came and took out our TP price right here on the 10th of March. So about 7 days in our prediction, he came and took out our ultimate area TP, which is around 11.5%. Cool. We got that. We expected that. And it wasn't no coincidence that the market didn't go no higher than what we expected, because we saw that based off the overall momentum, the volatility, the volume, the spread of the price bars, we understood that the market wasn't overly bullish. All right. So this is all how you're able to win in the market. So congratulations to you if you was able to capitalize on that price movement. So now AAVE is over, and we need to see what the market has in store for AAVE going forward. A couple of things, right? Already we have established, well, the trap has already established $350 as support. He is still trying to hold that number. He does not want to break the price below that. But one other thing I wanted to show you is that we are at an inflection point. The market in AAVE is definitely at a decisional point as to whether or not we will continue to see this market go higher in price. And the reason is because the market in AAVE was following this overall trend, right? We came and bounced off that line. We came up, and now we are not trending higher in price. Massive indication that bullishness into the market in AAVE is waning. We're losing the strength. We're losing the momentum to see the value of AAVE go higher in price. And this is what March the 20th indicates. This is what it's telling us. He tried to break the market in AAVE above that ascending line, and he wasn't able to be successful at it. He failed. So we are still seeing this market in AAVE at a major inflection point as to whether or not we will come back up above that line, or will we trade below it? And as of right now, the confirmation is that the market in AAVE is going to continue to trade below that ascending line, which we need to see that the market is gearing towards, if anything, sideways consolidational trading and movement to the downside, right? So what we're going to do already is that since we are not really expecting the bullishness to enter the market in AAVE right now, we have two other options. Either one, the market will hold trading within a trading channel. Okay. Either we can see that, or the market in AAVE will break the trading channel and we'll see the market go lower in price, which is right here. Okay. This is the downtrend in play into the market in AAVE. This is the current overall sentiment into the market in AAVE. We are no longer seeing the market in AAVE trending higher in price. Okay, let's see if we can see that differently on the 3-day time frame real quick. And even here on the 3-day time frame, we got a day and 8 hours left, but generally this market is giving us some weakness. So much so that I'm not looking for the market to hold $350 as support. Either $325 all the way down to 300. Okay. So we can actually see the market in AAVE drop to around $300 over the next couple of weeks. That is on the table. The only thing that is keeping the market from actually dropping to $300 to $325 is $350. Once the trap breaks that to the downside, it will come down to $325 or even $300. Okay. And on the 5-day time frame, we're still seeing some indications of market weakness. So we're still seeing that the market in AAVE is still garnering to us some weakness. We have 7 hours and 10 minutes left on this current weekly price bar, and we're still seeing weakness, but it's not overly weak. So maybe that 325 is closer to the realm of possibility of seeing the trap come and prop up the market. 325. Okay, $325. So now what we're going to do on this particular video is we're going to play the weakness here into the market in AAVE. All right, so this is the area of forecast right here. This is the area that we're watching out for right there. The market breaks that descending line sideways, then we realize that the market is not overly weak, that we will continue to trade within a trading channel, which is between $425 to $300. That is the trading channel. But if we continue to follow that descending line, then we know that $325, even $300 is on the table. Okay, so let's do this. Let's go ahead and play the weakness into the market in AAVE. So initially, $400 is going to be the area of restriction, but I'm going to bring it up here to the highs of these particular daily price bars there, which is around 415, 420. It's about 13%. And we would TP the market around 325, but we're going to extend it down to 300 though. Okay, 325 we would take off some profits at, because we understand that the market can see support at that particular location. Okay, so that's it. We are in position. This is our expectation as to where we expect price to go in the future. And now we want you all to assist us in telling our community of subscribers and those who follow us, where do you see the price for AAVE going over the next 3 weeks, so that we can all make our rational decisions and get in position so that we can win among everyone else. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.